In this video, I want to talk about how you can get money from eToro. So if you have some money and you want to take the money out of your account, I'll quickly show you how it's done. What you want to do is either use the eToro app or you can use the website right here. Make sure you go and log into your profile. And then you also want to make sure that you complete the verification completely. If your account is not 100% completed, you're not going to be able to withdraw money. So make sure that you do that. After you've done that, what you want to do is you simply want to scroll down, find withdraw funds and click on this. Once you're in there, you want to type in how much you want to take out. And once you've done that, just press confirm. And you now started the transaction and you're going to get your money in, depends on what day you do it. But it's usually going to take either a few hours or it can take up to a few business days. So just keep that in mind. Now, if you don't receive it within a week, I suggest you head over to help and then you contact them and say that you didn't receive the funds. But just keep in mind that it can take up to a few business days. So that is basically how that works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.